Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to process payroll in Paylocity. So if you're an employer or payroll administrator, then just follow along. First, sign into your Paylocity administrator account. Then open the payroll section and start a new payroll run. Then review employee hours, salaries, overtime, bonuses, and deductions. From there, you can make any necessary adjustment before continuing. Next, you need to verify taxes, benefit deductions, and direct deposit information. Carefully review the payroll summary to make sure everything is accurate. And once you've confirmed all payroll details, submit or approve the payroll for processing. And after payroll has been processed, employees will receive their pay according to your company's payroll schedule. So that was how to process payroll in Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.